Hello everyone, let's start with a new video that is on acids, bases and salts. So in this video we are going to talk about acids and bases and we are going to talk about indicators. So let's start with this chapter first. So अब हमें पता है कि हमारे पास हमारे environment में कुछ about 115 elements present है. तो अगर ये हमारे पास 115 एलिमेंट्स आपस में मिलते हैं और न्यू कंपाउंड्स बनाते हैं तो इसका मतलब कंपाउंड्स तो और भी ज़्यादा होंगे एज कंपेयर टू एलिमेंट्स, क्योंकि दे कैन फॉर्म डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स कैन फॉर्म डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स व्हेन दे मीट विद अदर एलिमेंट्स. नाउ व्हेन वी हैव कंपाउंड्स, अब हमें पता चला कि कंपाउंड्स हैं और इसका मतलब कि उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज भी डिफरेंट होगी. अगर उनकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट है तो साइंटिस्ट ने सोचा कि चलो इनको डिवाइड करते हैं 3 पार्ट्स में, दैट इज एसिड्स, बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स. So now in this video I am going to tell you about difference between acids and base. So the first difference between acid and base is that on the basis of taste, acids are generally sour in taste. अब हमने बहुत बार सिट्रिक फ्रूट्स खाए हैं जैसे कि ऑरेंजेस, लेमन्स वी हैड एज अ वेजिटेबल. सो दे आर एक्चुअली sour in taste. Why? Because they contain acids in it. Now when we talk about bases like we have in common life is baking soda. So when we taste it, a little bit of it, it feels bitter on our tongue. So the first difference of acid and base is that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Now the next difference is on the basis of litmus test. This test actually helps us to differentiate between acids and base. So in acids, when we put a blue litmus paper, it changes into red litmus. Its color changes into red. Now when we talk about bases, in bases when we take red litmus paper, it gets. Now the next one is on the basis of electricity, whether they can conduct electricity or not. So acids generally conduct electricity. There is a reason behind it which we need to discuss in extensively. So when we talk about acids do conduct electricity, they can conduct electricity. But whereas when we talk about bases, they cannot conduct electricity. I will tell you the reason for same. So in acids what happens is they can actually form H plus ions. So when they can form H plus ions, they can conduct electricity. Whereas if you know bases make OH minus ion, and if they are making OH minus ions, that means they cannot conduct electricity. Only H plus ion can help transfer electrons. So H plus ions are dissociated when we put acid into aqueous solution or in water. So they release OH minus ions. You must know the fourth difference, that is on the basis of their ions. Acids form H plus ions, bases form OH minus ion. Now the next topic is indicators. So indicators are actually substances that can actually help us differentiate between acids, bases and salts. So let's study about it. So indicators are actually of 3 types. One is natural indicator. This is very easy, like we know from its name that it comes from nature. The second one is synthetic. Synthetic means man-made or they are from chemicals. These are some chemicals we have in the form of synthetic indicators. Now the third one is the olfactory. Olfactory indicators are those which are dependent on the smell. Olfactory basically means related to smell. Now we have natural indicators first. So under natural indicators what we have is we have lichen. This is one of the natural indicator we have. Lichen. From lichen what we can make is we can make litmus solution. So litmus solution is made up of lichen. Now when we take this litmus solution, we know that litmus solution changes to blue to red in case of acid, and in case of base, red to blue. Now when we talk about synthetic indicators, there are some chemicals. So the first one under this is methyl orange. We have methyl orange, we have phenolphthalein. So when we talk about phenolphthalein and methyl orange, so under methyl orange, we have the neutral color for methyl orange is orange only. That means अगर हम इसकी बात करें नेचुरल कलर की तो वो ऑरेंज ही होता है. जब हम बात करते हैं इसको, जब हम एसिड में डालते हैं, देन इट्स गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेड. सो ऑरेंज गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू रेड कलर. जब हम बात करते हैं इसके बेस में डालने की, तो ऑरेंज से येलो, ऑरेंज टू येलो इन बेसिस. अब फिनोफ्थलीन की बात करते हैं, तो फिनोफ्थलीन जो होता है हमारा, वो होता है कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन. कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन की जब आप एसिड में डालोगे तो वो कलरलेस ही रहेगा, कलरलेस टू कलरलेस. जब हम बेस में डालते हैं तब वो कलरलेस से पिंक कलर का चेंज हो जाता है. तो जब भी आप फिनोफ्थलीन को बेस में डालोगे तभी चेंज नजर आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं नजर आएगा. इसका मतलब वो एसिड है. अगर वो कलरलेस से कलरलेस ही रह रहा है तो वो एसिड है. अगर कलरलेस से वो पिंक कलर चेंज कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब बेस है. नाउ द थर्ड वन, दैट इज ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर. तो इसमें हम यूज करते हैं वनीला एसेंस. वनीला एसेंस आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि वनीला एसेंस क्या होता है, केक्स में डलता है और बेकिंग प्रोडक्ट्स में डलता है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर. जैसे अगर आप किसी बेस में डालते हो इसको या एसिड में डालते हो तो उसकी स्मेल आनी बंद हो जाती है या स्मेल चेंज हो जाती है. तो वनीला एसेंस हो गया एक तो, और दूसरा होता है आपका ऑनियन. एंड थर्ड वन इज ऑल्सो देयर, दैट इज क्लोवॉल. So these are the three indicators that changes the smell of the product, that is of acid or bases. So that's all for the first lecture. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this.